Hi everyone, thanks a lot for tuning into my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing the yet to be launched face palette by Sugar Cosmetics, and this is what the face palette looks like. They always have this offer: if you purchase product worth rupees something, you will get something. I really love their site for that. I purchased a few products from their site, and they gave me this face palette complimentary. It's priced at rupees 7.99 and you get 12 grams of product. I really love the packaging here. It's very chic, very classy, very high end, and it's got this purple detailing, and it's written Contour de Force face palette. And when you flip open, you get a mirror, of course, and the three products: the bronzer, highlighter, and the blusher. And the bronzer, by the way, is matte, and all three of them are decently pigmented. You can build the intensity of these, and I love the highlighter, by the way. Got this face palette 2 days ago, and I am already in love with this. It's very buttery, very smooth. The texture is really smooth, not at all powdery, and it's pigmented. It's not super pigmented, but it is buildable, which I really like, because I don't I can't control overly pigmented products. So I like my product to be mildly pigmented, and that way I can control the product what I am putting on my face. So this face palette is, I really loved this face palette. I have one from the Revolution Makeup Revolution London, that their bronzer, highlighter, blush palette. I really didn't like that palette at all, because that was powdery, that was drying, and was not at all of my skin tone, so I didn't like that product at all. So this face palette, on the contrary, I really loved it. As I said, it has got buttery texture, and it's not drying on the skin, which is the best part about it, because now winters are here and my skin tends to be very dry in winters. So I have to be very precautious while I choose my product. In this video, I have used this face palette all over my face. I have used it as eyeshadow. I have used it as, obviously, on my face, like contouring my face, highlighting, blushing. I think this is going to be my go-to product from now on, because I am a lazy person, and I am very careless. I don't carry so many products, face products, or so many cosmetic around while I'm traveling. So this one is a great pick for people like me who do not want to carry so many products for their like in their cosmetic vanity or whatever vanity. They do not like to carry so many products. So this face palette would be a great choice for them. So just jump into the demo, and I'll talk to you about the product more in the demo. So I'm taking the bronzer and applying it on my crease line to make it a transition shade, as it's a matte shade, so it can be used as a transition eyeshadow. And then I'm taking the blush and building the intensity on my outer corner, as it's not super pigmented, so you can build intensity as per your liking. So I'm doing that, and after that I am taking the highlighter and applying it on my lid. So highlighter is really popping. So this is very nice palette for a simple eye makeup look. I really love this palette for that. And then I am contouring my face, so I'm taking the bronzer and applying the bronzer on the areas where I like to contour. As the bronzer is matte, I love the fact that it's matte, so I can contour as per my requirement. Then taking the blush and applying it on my cheeks, and the blush, like all the products, all three of them are buildable quality, like you can build the intensity. So I am building the blusher, and I'm applying the highlighter now. So highlighter is a bit more pigmented, so you don't have to apply quite a thick layer of highlighter. Just a little bit of highlighter is enough, and it's quite buttery, so it's gliding on very easily on the skin. So here's the finished look with this face palette. I think it's a good go-to palette for as I said, for people who do not carry so many cosmetic products. I would highly recommend this face palette to you. Just go and check this one out. $7.99 I think is reasonable for a face palette like this. Generally, if you go to buy a single highlighter, you will end up paying somewhere around 800-900, I don't know, somewhere around 1000 if you are going to purchase a single highlighter. So you are getting a face palette in the price of a single highlighter. So I'm sure, and I think it's a good deal. They are having this offer. I don't know if still they are having this offer or not, but if you purchase products worth rupees $15.99, you are going to get this face palette complimentary. And there is this another offer going on. If you purchase products worth rupees $7.99, you are going to get blush, the blush, single blush or highlighter or bronzer maybe. I'm not sure about the about the offer, but there is this offer. There are these two offers going on right now. So just check the description box for the details, and I hope you liked this review. Do let me know in the comment section if you liked it or not, or if you want me to change the way I review products. I will do that. And do subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, do subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.